Hello dear fans. What Mars looks like. Mars is the very first planet in which a person has shown an increased interest. Its blood-red color becomes even more noticeable when viewed through a telescope. The surface of Mars has a reddish tint due to the large amount of iron oxide impurities. Instructions. Step 1. Mars can be seen in the sky only during periods of opposition. Sometimes it looks brighter than Jupiter. The atmosphere of Mars is 95% carbon dioxide. Its average pressure is 160 times less than on Earth. In winter, carbon dioxide turns into dry ice, and fog stands at the bottom of the craters and over the lowlands during the cold time of the day. Step 2. The southern hemisphere of Mars is covered with ancient highlands. In the northern regions there are many young plains. It is believed that this is due to the fall of a large asteroid, so there are much fewer craters in the north of the planet. The surface of Mars sometimes changes color. This is due to prolonged dust storms. Step 3. Mars is characterized by sharp temperature changes. In the regions of Lake Phoenix on the Sun Plateau, in summer it is from -53 degrees to +22 degrees, and in winter from -103 degrees to -43 degrees. The temperature of the planet's surface has been well studied from observations in infrared rays. The lowest temperature was recorded over the winter polar cap. It was -139 degrees. During the summer solstice, the topsoil heats up to 0 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Due to its distance from the Sun, the climate on Mars is much harsher than on Earth. The change for a night, as well as the change of seasons on this planet, proceeds in much the same way as on our planet. However, the year on Mars is twice as long as on Earth. The seasons also last longer, and their character is significantly different in the southern and northern hemispheres of the planet. In the northern hemisphere, summers are long but cool, and winters are short and mild. In the south it is the other way around. The winters are long and harsh, and the summers are short and warm. Step 5. Scientists assume that several billion years ago there was water on Mars, then it was in a liquid state, and carbon dioxide was evaporating. As on Venus, a greenhouse effect could arise here, but due to its low mass, Mars began to gradually lose its atmosphere, as a result of which polar caps and permafrost appeared. We can observe them even now. There is currently no liquid water on Mars, but its polar caps are thought to be composed of water ice mixed with solid carbon dioxide. Step 6. On Mars is the largest mountain in the solar system, Olympus. Its height is 27,400 m, and the diameter of the base reaches 600 kilometers. Not a single active volcano has been recorded on the planet. However, traces of volcanic ash left on the slopes of its mountains may indicate that the planet was previously volcanically active. Thanks for watching.